I'm gonna head over to Window and Package Manager. I want to install ProBuilder and ProGrids. However, I cannot find ProGrids. So I basically asked somebody. I asked the tutorial because really it's not that hard in the first place. Since I can't download ProGrids because it's not there for some reason, I also checked another machine and it too was not found at the other machine, so I don't know. I'll just continue on fleshing out this little scene I have in the game without Snaps, ProBuilder, or ProGrids, which is nowhere to be seen. So Snaps is basically a standardized Unity asset that helps you prototype your levels quickly. And then later on, you can replace the artwork with your own or whatever you want. The problem is that when you click and drag your folder in to replace the Snaps artwork, you need to rename all your artwork assets to the same names that Snaps is named. So to get a better idea of what I'm talking about, just take a look at the screenshot of the assets that come with the Office Snaps asset. I mean, take a look at this right here. This is from the Snaps prototype. It's the Office asset. And really, you want to go and rename all your stuff to AirDuct_01_corner_snaps001, AirDuct01, Cabinet01, 02, Snap001, so on and so forth. I mean, the time that you save working on your level, laying everything out, you're gonna spend about 48 hours renaming everything. For me, that doesn't sound like the most efficient way or the best way to spend your resources, your time, and your energy when you're working on your game. I don't think it's data entry the game, Unity the game. But I'm sure this will help many people out there, which is good, and that's what it's intended to do. I don't think, at least right now, it's very practical, and I don't think anybody really wants to go through and rename all of those things, because I don't. That is why data entry is in your future, friend.